Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually gonna have this be kind of a quicker video. I did a food haul or grocery haul from Trader Joe's and HEB. Now Trader Joe's is like a very tiny little added thing to my grocery haul because I just really wanted to go there. But I'm gonna show you all the things that I got real quick, and then in the description box below, I'll share kind of my meal plan for the whole week for our family of 5. All right guys, so I have croissants. I bought these Activia yogurts for the kids, mostly for Addie. She's been having kind of stomach issues lately, and then I got her these probiotic yogurt drinks. I was out of Swiffer wipes, toilet paper. Oh, this is like the produce area, so I got this lettuce. We're gonna do a salad with one of our meals. I have asparagus, zucchini, cucumber. These are so good. I told you guys in my last video about that. These are really, really good. Spinach. I have never tried this before, so this sauce is new for me. It's for a recipe, so this is at HEB. However, I'm sure you can find something similar at your local grocery store. I got the kids some of these different vitamins. They have probiotic in them, and so we'll see if we like them. We normally get the Little Critters, I think is the brand, from Costco, but got that one instead. Got toothpaste and stuff for the kids. Got some dates. These, you guys, these are so good. I ate almost the whole bag. They're delicious. These are really, really good. I don't know if they have them in other flavors, but this is amazing. I got this big thing of chicken. Honestly, guys, the price wasn't that bad, or either that or I'm just getting used to paying like overpriced for everything. But $9.21. I didn't think it was that bad for a chicken breast. So here's a little hack for chicken. So if you kind of like press down on it, and I can't do it with one hand, but if you're holding it down with one hand and slice through the middle, you can get 2 chicken breasts out of that. I got some wings because I'm making something with that for another recipe. This is my favorite. I've made sourdough from scratch, but you guys, it's the process of keeping sourdough starter alive is just not in my realm of possibility. I've done it, it just takes forever, and I don't care to keep something else alive right now. Like if I'm gonna do that, it's gonna be a plant. So I just buy this, it's really good. We usually get the 2-pack of the meat, almond milk, because I'm making the kids smoothies in the summertime. Got some bananas, some frozen veggies. I got these chicken tenders for my husband's lunches, so I make these wraps with this, and if you guys want to know what's in that wrap, it's really good, and I can list that below. I got these rotini noodles for a recipe, some English muffins, some ground turkey for Addison, breakfast sausage for breakfast, and ground beef. So if you know me, like you're a friend of mine and you know that like I don't read the fine print on stuff. I swear I read the fine print on this one, guys, but I don't understand what happened. Look at this, $3.24, and it's this dinky little piece of salmon. So in the app, it said that it was 10 something. So I don't understand. I don't know what I did. And I'm so bummed out because we were gonna have like this. I thought I was buying this big salmon. Now I gotta go back to the store. This is why I did drive up, so I wouldn't have to go in. Anyway, so that's supposed to be at Salmon for another recipe. I got some mozzarella cheese, some mac and cheese. This has been our new favorite. I actually like the caramel flavor better, but I think my husband likes the French vanilla, so I got that one this time. I bought these for Addie. She's been, like I said, having some stomach issues, so we're just trying to, there's some things that we're changing with her diet. We got some scalloped potatoes, apples. I got her these high fiber oatmeal, strawberries, lettuce, an onion, and sweet potatoes. Okay, so if you are a mom that has several kids and you are always buying those pre-mixed Gatorades or Powerades, if you buy this and pre-mix per drink, you are saving so much money, it's not even funny. Yes, it's tedious to like have to make each cup, but my kids know how much, like from like the measuring cup that's in there, how much they're supposed to add to their water. And then I have like one of those. Let me show you guys real quick. I have one of these. Where is it? I have one of these. This was literally, I think 10 bucks at Target. You probably find it cheaper somewhere else. It just froths it, mixes it up, but it's just so much cheaper. Okay, black beans, and this is the new favorite. We love this cereal. Got some ginger ale and laundry detergent, toilet paper, and then that cleaner over there. And then let's look at everything that I got from Trader Joe's. I did not get a lot, guys. Now, keep in mind, this whole thing over here cost me $233, which I think is really expensive. I don't know. It feels like a lot to me, and I'm a bargain shopper, and I use several coupons on this, which is even crazier to me. But you know, inflation, things are just so expensive. So I haven't been to Trader Joe's since we lived in California. So I really wanted to go, and I'm like, look, I'm only gonna get a basket, and if I overflow the basket, then like we're done, you know? So they always give the kids like these. I forgot they do this, but the kids get coloring pages and stickers. This bread is the hands down best bread for French toast. So if you've never tried that, go get that. The RX bar I've tried before. I just got myself one. I love the RX bars. These are super good. And everything else I'm gonna show you I've never tried before. So these PB&J bars, these looked amazing, and so many, dude, okay, so I joined a group on Facebook, and I don't know if I should have, but it's basically a Trader Joe's group where they talk about all things Trader Joe's. And they were recommending this, and this did look really good. I'm not a huge peanut butter and jelly fan, but it did look like really good. Okay, this apple walks into a bar, cereal bars. These I've heard are amazing, and my kids like apple, so I got that one. I bought these country potato with mushrooms, and these look really good. Okay, haricot vert is just fancy for saying green beans, by the way, in case you don't know, but those are really good. And since it took me forever to get home, I'm gonna throw those in my freezer. There was so much traffic on the way home. Okay, these are yogurts. So my kids don't like fruit chunks. I don't know if your kids are the same, but if there is any kind of like chunks of fruit in their yogurt, they don't want it. And I just got one pack because I want to see if they like it before I go like all out, you know? So this is bananas and cream and strawberries and cream, and these look so good. Okay, got those. These are also mandarin orange chicken. I heard these are good, so I'm probably gonna make these for my husband's lunches. Go ahead and maybe, I wonder if I can air fry these. Let's see. You know what, even if it doesn't, I just always air fry. Even if the recipe says, or it doesn't show anything for air fry, I always air fry. So, hold on, let me put this in here. White cheddar corn puffs. These are just like, no, I'm not gonna lie, I do not think these are gonna be for the kids because they don't look healthy, but you know, definitely me and my husband, if we're watching like a movie night or something to snack on. And I heard these are amazing. Roasted corn, so these are a good side for something with probably one of the dinners I have this week, so we'll have that for a side. I heard these are really good. And that is everything I got. So all those things, which was not a lot of things from Trader Joe's, I think was like $29 or something. So it wasn't like too bad, but I also feel like, to me, seemed expensive. Oh, I also got waters. And that's it, guys. I feel like it's not even like that much stuff, but like things are so expensive right now. It's crazy. Like I added stuff in my cart and I'm slowly getting like seeing the price go up. And as I'm looking at everything, I'm like, there's no way. Everything from HEB, I'm thinking there's no way this could be more than 200. And it was, and it's just, everything's so expensive. Ugh. If you are in a similar boat, let me know recipes down below that you guys do for families of 5, or even if you have a family of 2. I'm looking at cheaper meals and things that can kind of last us like at least a week. So I will let you know my meal plan in the description box below. And thank you guys so much for watching this like short little haul, but I was so excited to go to Trader Joe's more than anything. I drove like 20 minutes out of my way to go there, and I was like, as soon as I walked in, I'm like, oh, the land of my people. Like they were just everyone was so nice and I just had a good time. I know I'm a nerd, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.